Struggling with a large volume of data with interconnected associations and wondering how to import it seamlessly in Hubspot? Keep your worries at bay. Hubspot allows importing multiple Hubspot objects like contacts, companies, deals, tickets and more could be involved, all in one go. To import data with multiple objects, Hubspot will automatically establish associations between the records. These records could be any entity that stores data related to your business like contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. They are interconnected through associations to establish relationships and provide a comprehensive view of your interactions and activities. For example, contacts can be associated with companies they work for, deals, tickets, etc. Let's look at some prerequisites before you start importing your data. Know what you want to import. Does it include contacts, companies, or any other details? Are there any duplicates in your data, invalid characters, or incomplete information? These must be cleaned up. Is the data in the correct format? Are your data fields matched with those in Hubspot? You can do this manually or with the help of a data mapping tool. Have a small sample data set imported first to test the process. Let's look at how this is done in Hubspot. Log into your Hubspot account. Go to Import screen from Contacts or Companies. This screen gives you two options. You can either choose to import from a file or sync with another tool. Let's pick the first option. Now it gives you a couple of options such as these show on screen. Pick the Import from Computer option to proceed further. The next screen gives you two options, one to import one file and another to import multiple files. Let's select one file. As Hubspot is arranged in objects, it now wants to know whether you want to import one object or multiple objects. Let's select multiple objects in this case, and then click Next. You now get the Object and Activities options to choose from. Select which objects this data should be associated with. Choose all the options needed from objects shown contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Also select the activities part of your import file which need to be imported, like calls, emails, etc., then click Next. Now you are asked to upload the file from where you want to import. This file should have all the required data for objects and activities you chose in the previous step. As you are importing data, Hubspot wants to make sure your existing data is not incorrectly overwritten. So, you get the drop-downs to select how to import for each of the objects and activities chosen. You can either create new or update existing, or create only new, or update only existing. Based on your selection for how to import, the object and activity will be imported to Hubspot. Once you click Next, after uploading your file, Hubspot automatically matches the column names in your file to your properties for the objects and activities you have chosen to import. These are the properties defined in your Hubspot portal instance. You'll be able to see a preview of this mapping, where Hubspot found a match, and where the mapping is missing. If a column name does not match an existing property, click on the corresponding drop-down menu to pick an existing property in your Hubspot account and map the column name to it. Or you can click Create New Property to set up a new custom property in the right pane to which this column name will be mapped. Now, hit Next. Each time you import a list, it is important that you name it uniquely. You could use the date, source, or the owner's initials, for example. You will now be asked if you have the consent to interact with this list. Say yes by checking the box. And finish the import. Your updated screen will give you a report of the number of multiple records created and those updated. In case of any errors, it will intimate you. Congratulations! You have now successfully imported multiple objects and activities into Hubspot. This will help you maintain consolidated customer data, achieve data accuracy, better reporting and analytics that can further help you better your sales and marketing efforts too. Watch this space for more such Hubspot tutorials by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.